Hey Vols, my name is Molly, and I'm going to share with you some information regarding financial aid awards. In this video, you will learn where to view your financial aid, discuss your estimated cost of attendance, and how to accept your financial aid award. Your financial aid offer shows a list of all financial aid that have been offered through the University of Tennessee, Knoxville. The award offer will include items such as grants, scholarships, and student loans. You can view your financial aid offer online through your MyUTK. You can also decode your financial aid offer with the website listed on the screen. Now I'm going to show you a brief video of how to accept your financial aid offer. You will go to the top, My Resources, select Banner Self-Service Home, select Financial Aid. You'll select Financial Aid again. And then you will select Award Offer at the top of the screen. First, you will see your grants and scholarships. This shows your total amount for the academic year as well as it broken down into each semester. Below, you will also see the loans that have been offered. It also shows the full academic year as well as it broken down for each semester, and you will click Confirm. Now when you click Confirm, you are confirming to the loans. The grants and scholarships are automatically accepted. I would like to add that at the top of this screen, you will see your estimated cost of attendance. This shows the direct cost and the indirect cost. Direct costs are items that are directly billed by the University of Tennessee, and indirect costs are items that are not directly billed by the University of Tennessee and include items such as personal or books. Our friend Smokey here does not have this generated yet, but you should be able to view this at the top of the screen. Then you should be good to go. If you have any questions regarding your financial aid offer, you're welcome to give One Stop a call at 865-974-1111, or you can reach us via email at onestop@utk.edu. Thank you for watching, and go Vols!